All right, guys. Um, this is my friend's startup. Um, it's called Savings Sidekick. But here he's got this feature. Click here to see for yourself and calculate the savings. So he's got this calculator here that you put in the 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 categories, and then it works out the savings. So your monthly spend across these categories. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab all of that text, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into ChatGPT. Now I'm just going to say, let's go the deep thinking one. Hi, you are an enterprise architect, and I want you to review this savings calculator, and I want you to explain to me how I could develop it in plain English to be fed into an AI coding engine. The data is as follows. Let's see if that works. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to open Replit. Now implement the instructions. Start building. Now we'll see what this does. So I haven't even tuned this. Just literally copied and pasted the screen. Asked it to do it. Calculate potential savings. Boom. So I've got all the categories. Okay. Okay. All right. Can you enter values and monthly in the annual expenses field? Okay. The input fields are not wide enough to show the full expense number, and the estimated savings please make wider. We'll start with this feature first. There we go. So if we spend $1,200 a month on groceries, we spend $600 on fuel, we spend $800 on dining out. Okay. There we go. Yes, the layout looks good, but for each category, the saving is not shown. It's only shown at the bottom as a total. Okay. Okay. It's even categorized stuff based on what's annualized. All right. So if we put 1,000 there, okay, cool. Please just tidy up all the formatting and make the heading savings sidekick. So for brevity, I'm probably not going to do much more on this, but you could go into the code here, make the edits, deploy the software, assign the software to a URL extension that's the same as your primary URL, and then deploy the software. Let's okay. I'm really interested to see what the formatting does. It looks the same. It looks the same. That it looks the same. I need visual improvements, like vibrant colors and a new heading. Sometimes it just doesn't do anything. I don't know why. So it's updated the index file, which I assume is this page. It's edited the styles sheet. So that's probably the color scheme and the fonts, etc. Okay, it's taking a screenshot of itself to make sure that it's worked. Yeah. There we go. Cool. So if we put 1,000 in there, we put 600. Whoops. Yeah. So let's put 1,000 in there. Let's put 600 in there. Let's put 300 in there. Let's put 120 in there. So there you go. Showing you the savings. So let's say the clothing, 100 a month, beer, 100, health and beauty, $20, magazines, $20, parking, $100, presents and gifts, let's say 50, the annual expenses, yeah, I'm not gonna, let's do this one, 1,200, no, we'll say 860, car hire, no, we don't need that. There we go, 2,186 a year. So that's pretty cool. I'm ready to deploy. Ready to deploy. Love the color scheme. Hmm. No. Deploy. All right. Deploy. Really wants to do more work on it. Okay. So now I click deploy. Here we go. And I'll just show you how this works. I'll take it down as soon as I'm finished. This one should be quite simple. It's all just code based. If anyone else out there wants to build one of these for one of their websites, let me know. I do it just for content at the moment. It's just fun. You can just do it yourself. But you might want some help. Okay. It's promoting the server. Here we go. Now if I click this, there it is. So if I type 1,000 in there, 600 in there, there you go. Cool. All right, I'm just going to manage that one. I'm going to shut that server down. Yes, delete the deployment. All right, so I just built his application for him, just screen scraping, chucking it, asking an architect to draw up the prompt, chucking it in, building it, deploying it. Check it out.